Hi friends, welcome to our new channel TechCorner English. As many of my friends already know that we have another channel called TechCorner Malayalam, which is having more than 86,000 subscribers as of now. What we generally do is that we make videos mainly on technical things like electrical, electronics, industrial automation, industrial safety, and industrial gadgets, small technical gadgets, so and so things. So then you may be wondering why we are making another channel in English. So whenever we start our channel in Malayalam and I'm working in Delhi, many of my colleagues and friends are from here and they don't know the regional language Malayalam. So they always request me to make videos in English or Hindi so that they can also follow and they can also understand what I am telling. So from there on, we were thinking to make another channel, but as you know, we are working, so we don't have that much of time to maintain multiple channels. So that's the reason this went on dragging like anything. But right now, we definitely believe that this is the right time to start another channel. So we are going to make videos in English as well from now on, and you will be getting regular videos based on electrical things or industrial automation, job opportunities, and more or recent updates which is happening in our country and apart from our country as well. So this is what our motive of this particular channel. Then you may be thinking, why then I considered English? So we have two options, Hindi and English. But as to be honest, that both the language is not my native language, and I don't believe that I can speak Hindi or English very fluently. But still, I thought at the end of the day, if I make videos in Hindi or in Malayalam, for an interview, you have to convey the things in English. So again, you have to translate the things which you learn from our video. You have to translate from Malayalam to English or Hindi to English. So I thought that this is best that you can learn videos directly in English, so you can convey the things in interview. You can perform well in interview, and you will be able to crack the interviews better. That's what I believe. So I definitely believe that will happen if you regularly follow our videos and if you learn things from us. And we look forward to for all your support and our motive of even our TechCorner Malayalam to, like, we are in currently at around 80,000 subscribers. This is just because our motive is that learn together, grow together, and be together. So once we learn together, when I make a video, definitely I am also learning the subject. Even I am also learning English. So you watch the video, you are also learning technical things. You are also learning some about English as well. And once we learn, we will be definitely growing. There is no mantra other than to grow is learn. We want to learn daily new things. So let us learn together, grow together, and always we will be together forever. So that's what our motive is, and we look forward for all your support in our new channel as well. So let's start our journey. So thanks for supporting us. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.